ఇప్పుడు మనం వెలాసిటీ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ గ్రాఫ్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు. The Vs and v square s graphs are given for the two particles. Find the accelerations of the particles at s equals 0. S equals 0. So s values are very clearly mentioned on x-axis. V values have mentioned, or v square values also mentioned on y-axis. So how to find it? Let us see. Already from the knowledge what we know, a equals to v into dv by ds, right? This relation we know very clearly. So otherwise you can write a by v equals to dv by ds, whatever the value you have taken. So if I take this point as a 1, this point as a 2, this point as a 2, let us write as a slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? సో ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఏం రాయవచ్చు? ఇప్పుడు ఇది 1 అంటున్నాం, ఇది 2 అంటున్నాం. y1 వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది? 20, రైట్? y2 వాల్యూ 0. సో 0 మైనస్ 20 by, and x values we know. x1 value is how much? On x-axis at the point 1 it is a 0, and x2 value 50. So minus minus gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. It is going to be there as 2 by 5, right? It is going to be there 2 by 5. So which value is greater, y1 value or y2 value? You have to take it. It is a 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5, a by v. And what about acceleration? If you want acceleration, v into 2 by 5, right? So what is the v value at s equals 0? At where we are finding this value? We are finding at s equals 0. At s value 0, v value is 20. That's why instead of this we can write 20 into 2 by 5. 5 ones, 5 fours, 2s. This is the 8. So this value a equals to, you are going to get 8 meters per second square. 8 meters per second square. So what about this negative value? Negative acceleration y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? y2 value, so y1 value is greater, right? It is a 20 value. That's why it is going to be there minus value. What about this value? It is x2 is here 50 minus 0, right? Sorry, 50 minus 0. That means minus 2 by 5. So here you are going to get minus, minus and minus. This is the a1 for the first graph. From the second one, what you can find? We know already relation. If you want acceleration, half into slope on v square s graph you have to take, right? So similar way, let us take this as a 1. This is the take point 2. So y1 y2 values you have to take. This is the y1 value, y2 value here, right, on y-axis. x1 x2 value, this is the x1, this is the x2 value. Right here half into, so y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? So this value half into, y2 value is 0, y1 value is 20, x2 value is 50, x1 value is 0. Then you are going to get 1 by 2 into minus 20 by 50. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2's 2's. So then you are going to get minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 1 by 5, 0.25 minus a2 equals 0 meters per second square. This way, whenever you have the knowledge of Vs graphs, right, Vs graph, you are going to calculate this. So here a2 value you calculated by the half into slope on v square s graph. Here you have already calculated a equals to as v into slope on it, v into slope on it. So here a1 is minus 8, here a2 is minus 0.2 meters. So these are the two particles, two different accelerations from the Vs graph. Thank you.